McNeil. I'm the digital marketing manager at Marietta Car Center. So I manage the website, I manage our interactions with vendors. I make all the electronic stuff happen.
You ain't doing no work here.
But it looks like I do.
I've been texting girls, been inviting them to lunch. She had a chick up here last time while she was a marketing exec from another dealership. Why we need a marketing exec from another dealership? That's all I'm saying. I ain't snitching. I'm just saying.
My favorite thing about this job is the fact that I and I alone have the power to bring in leads. I bring in a few hundred leads per month for the sales team. It's exciting. It's exciting to feed the company and really help it grow and be single-handedly responsible for it. You know what I love about Marietta Car Center? I love that I have the trust and support of my team. I'm able to get strong results for everybody, and it makes me feel good.
Someone tried to steal a car.
Willie Brown. I'm here at Marietta Car Center. I'm the sales manager. Today we're just following up with customers. We're sending them emails, texts, giving them a call, letting them know what we have available, checking in with them, see how soon they're looking at coming in. Let them know how easy it is to get a car here at Marietta Car Center, which is pretty easy.
Okay.
They were really interested in that Ford Edge.
That's nice.
Yeah, we liked it.
All we need is proof of income, proof of residence, Georgia driver's license, and the down payment stated on the windshield of the car that they're interested in. So we make it pretty easy. Most of our customers, they enjoy our service. We try to have a good time, try to have fun. We provide a service for our customers where they normally wouldn't be able to get a car, or they go through a long process of being hours at a dealership just to be turned down and turned away. We keep it easy, simple, and we try to, like I said, we try to make sure everybody's comfortable. So just come see us at Marietta Car Center. We'll get you riding, get you into a car, and I guarantee you enjoy the experience.
I feel good. He gave me a great deal.
And,
I got you.
and then you'll sign your paperwork, okay?
Yes, sir.
You got the cash money on.
Yeah, cash
Okay.
money.
So I'm gonna have Dee Dee go ahead and get you started with the paperwork.
Yeah, that's cool.
And just we'll put it together.
Yeah.
I'm Dee Dee.
Okay, what do you do here at the Marietta Car Center?
So here at Marietta Car Center, I'm the lead salesperson, and I sell cars.
All right. Oh, that's a phone call.
It is a phone call. Marietta Car Center.
Is this the sales department?
Yes, that's what I need. I need to be able to see the name, the address, and when it has been sent, if the letter is updated or not.
Stay safe, man.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Sir, your favorite car salesman and mine. I'm telling y'all to come on down here and get these deals. If you've been a year on your job and a year at your place, I can get you $200 off your down payment. If you put down $1,000 down, I'll discount your car. Oh man, we making deals out here, y'all. Y'all come out here and see me with my partner Dee Dee. We're making it happen, y'all. Really around the city. Step 2. Come see me.
Great. Gonna purchase a car, man. Y'all come shop with them, man.
Part right here, about to basically go over with his taxes and fees, which are the first 3 payments of your car loan. They're a little bit higher because at most dealerships you have to pay them all at one time. Here we let you take some kind of a payment plan. So the first 6 weeks, we divide that big number by 3, so your payments are usually between $200 to $300 depending on the car. The lowest I've seen them has been like $150, so they're really not that bad. But they give you a little time, go over insurance with them, go over warranty, all that good stuff. So y'all stay tuned, man.
Recorded, well, sign the paperwork. Very affordable. Yeah, you guys are
My car.
excellent customer service.
Nobody else's. My car, and I love this car.
Yes, she does.
My second car I done purchased. I'm so happy and grateful. Thank you, babe. You went away. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed my car.
So what are we doing right now? We're looking for somebody.
We're looking for a car for inventory so we can go ahead and put these cars through the shop and get them up on the front line so we can get them for sale. Have a list of roughly, I'd say about 50 cars. See where they're at, drive them, we gotta put them through the shop, we gotta do a checklist on it, we gotta do our inspection, 120 point inspection on it, check it out. If it's ready, good to go, we detail it, put it on the front line.
What's going on, bro? What's up, man? How you? Just a day in the life, man. We out here trying to shine it up real quick. Y'all come on, get y'all a Ford. We got a whole lot of trucks. What's up? I'm Marlon, Marietta Car Center, top detailer. Throughout the day, my job, my priority, my pleasure is to get your car out on time, clean, smelling good, and disinfected. As far as everything goes, I always got clean utensils, clean everything. Everything is in order to get your car how you want it. We're gonna have you shining all over the city. You come to Marietta Car Center, you shining for the next 3 months. Come back and see me every Saturday. I'm out here. I love y'all. Love me back.
I'm Deanna.
So how's it going so far? How's training?
Training is, training's cool. It's really easy going. You just have to learn the ropes, I guess. Get in, refit in. But yeah, I'm just sitting right now waiting for Willie to do whatever he's doing.
All right.
Yeah, he'll me back.
Okay, and have you sold cars before?
No.
No? This is your first time selling cars?
Mm-hmm. So we paid 12 down today. No, 1,200.
Someone tried to steal a car. Car thieves, they don't tend to be the smartest bunch. Happens sometimes. All right, so price of 200. Tried to steal it. They got from here to here.
So they didn't get that far.
Further than most.
Woo! Just don't get me in it.
Oh, let's go ahead and do it. We always try to have fun here at the car center. Make our customers happy. Give them a new ride. Woo! Girls! Girls!
Oh, yes.
Marietta Car Center. Marietta Car Center. We'll get you into your new ride. You'll be as happy as Mr. Lewis. No credit check. All we need is proof of income, proof of residence, Georgia driver's license. Come see us.